I'm going to show you how to do balayage dark to blonde in one visit, this one. First, I did the consultation with her and I suggest her cut all the end color buildup off. Then make sure it looks healthy and then I start to do it. Hi everyone, Giang Brooke here. I'm a professional hairdresser based in Brisbane, Australia. I'm over 20 years in this industry and I first opened the hair salon when I was 19. So much passion, so much love about hair. I am here to help you to be experts, balayage dark or to blonde in one visit and grow your business fast and triple income. I start with the hairline and start with 20 volt, bleach and 20 volt and radio is 1 and 2. I always apply balayage in foil because it gets maximum light I want. If you want to learn more about balayage or how to grow your salon fast, subscribe to my channel and share for your friends and people they need. Also, like and comment, ask questions below. I would love to help you. For me, to make sure it's nice blend and no harsh line, I always use the technique it is back comb like this. And the application is make sure it's enough bleach. If it's not enough bleach, it doesn't go light. Okay, so that's why I always just take time to application it get right. When you do the one thing right in the first place, you get exactly the color, the light you want. If you don't apply enough, again, you might have to re-bleach again. And for me, that when you actually do re-bleach again, it's easy to get damaged and it's uneven. So that's why I suggest that start with carefully and apply enough bleach. So I continue to apply all sections similar like that. My point that get enough bleach and back comb, so make sure it's nice and when I brush it out it look more blend and no harsh line. So if you look carefully, you see that I apply a lot of bleach and I make sure is everywhere is have bleach on it, so it will get maximum light I want and it like beautiful and blend and also it even. If I don't apply enough, I feel that it turn like uneven and some part it just brassy. That's why I say it is very important. You just have to apply enough. If you want to see more my work, you can check out G Hair Academy or Hair by Youngs on Facebook and Instagram. I just continue do like that and you know, I do so much it like every day. But if you look at this video and if you have any question, just type below at the comment section, so I will be happy to help you. Also, if you really want to discuss like closer and faster, you join my Facebook group and at that point I can jump in and then I'm able to answer your question faster. And also, you know, in the community, just so easy for us to talk and share daily. Because on YouTube in here it's good, but sometimes it's really hard for me. I'm very busy. I cannot go and answer like really quickly for you. So that's why if you want, you can join my Facebook group. So you can click to the description below. You find the Facebook group there. So I continue to do this application and roughly usually it takes me like 2 hours to 3 hours. It depends on each client hair. If they have thick hair, it's longer. a lot of hairstylists out there, they always say that I cannot do dark gold to blonde in one visit because that is most people say it's impossible. But here you can. So now I go to nearly the top section. You can see that I pick every single hair that already bleached before. As I say, I love healthy hair. I really don't want to damage any hair. I take that all the hair that was bleached before, I separate it. Why? Because a lot of hairstylists that always apply with the virgin hair and the hair already bleached, apply all together and the same bleach. For me, I think that way it doesn't healthy hair and it doesn't never can give the color I want. Because when you apply the same formula bleach on the virgin hair and the hair already bleached, what happened? When you worry that the hair already bleached is get damaged and then you rinse earlier, which means that part is safe, it's not damaged, but then the part is not haven't bleached before it's virgin hair. What happened with that part? It turned brassy. Is that right? When it turned brassy like that, to me, that's why a lot of you out there and say, okay, you cannot do balayage dark gold to blonde in one visit because you have to coming back like 3-4 times. So many of you, even the clients, I have a lot of clients saying to me that as well. So to me, that is possible. I do this a lot and nearly every day. And I say it's possible if you understand about technique, bleach formula, application, time, and toner formula. You will be super confident and know exactly what to do, how to do, and also you're able to do any kind of hair balayage picture client bringing to show you. And for me, I do this for many years, and I feel that a lot of clients, they really wish they want to get the color they want in one visit. They don't mind how much money they have to pay as long as you give the right color for your client. But why I'm saying that? Because look, if you give the dream color for your client that in one visit, fast and get maximum daylight, no brassy, no yellow, they happy to pay whatever you asking for. And when they pay that, look at the way how I do that. With this type of hair, roughly, if you just style it out, you can just minimum is 400-500 per client. For me, client pay 600 to 900 for per client, depend on type of hair. But for me, the most make me happy that the transformation. I make the dream hair color for my client. That make them happy, make them feel so much confident, make them love themselves more, make them feel more happier. So for me, in my vision that I always want to help my client that feel good inside and outside. When they look at themselves, they love their hair, make them feel love themselves, boost their confidence and make them feel so much happier. So I help them feel like low as self-esteem to super confident and love themselves more and more. So every day I wake up, I receive message from my client. They say, thank you so much for changing my hair, change my life. I feel so much confident. I love my hair. My friend, my family, my husband say I look amazing. That kind of thing, it make me feel now it's time for me to help you as hairstylist, learn this skill so you can grow your business faster and also helping more people have beautiful, trendy hairstyle. And if you think this is your vision and this is what you love to build your business and make more people happier, like how I do, I am here to help you. Click to the link below to direct to fill the form and then book a call with me. I will explain for you and we'll see if you are qualified, and if you are the right person, I'm more than happy to help. I am not helping everyone. I only help some people that I feel they are the good fit with me and the same vision. I'm happy to help. Because for me to build this kind of business, it starts from my passion. That's number one. Number two, that I start with the mindset that helping more people. I'm not thinking that I want to making more money. So when I want that to helping more people, which means it doesn't matter how hard is it, I still make it work. I still find that and try to find the best way to helping more people. I'm not giving up because it has a lot of things that is sometimes if you feel that too much pressure or you do it not right. So now if you think you are ready, you can click to the link below or go to T. But if you feel you are not ready yet, you want to learn more or know more information about this, you can join my private Facebook group, Wealthy. And the truth that if you build a business with the mindset helping more people, so you do it with your heart, naturally money will come. You don't even think about or plan for that. The money will come because people can feel that, people can see your passion, and people can see how you care about your client. That make them coming back with you, book with you, and recommend all friend or family to you. So that's why I think this is the best way for you to think to build the business. Now, I'm here to help you. If you think you are ready to bring your business to the next level, click to description below, book the strategy section. I will explain for you how to do it, what should you have, what should you do to build your confidence with your skill, your technique. Also, communication, consultation, what should you say to your client to make your client happy to pay and say, I trust you, whatever you say, I will do it. I don't mind how much it costs. Just do it. So if you want that, click to description below. I'm here to help.
Before it was tired. I was looking for a major change, and now it's just amazing. Now it's exactly what I wanted.
Yes. And what is the message you just say to people they really want to get the color just overnight?
Absolutely. Do it in the one sitting and take the time and get it done properly the first time.
Yeah. And this is exactly the color you like?
Absolutely.
And how do you feel?
Well, it's really exciting and overwhelming at the moment.